Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Supabase using the Flask. Today we are going to learn about the creating a Supabase project and configuring the API keys. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. The Supabase is like the Firebase and it has some of the free accounts that you can create. Maximum I think one database you can create and use it. So we are going to learn in this video how we are going to use it, like CRUD operations, login, sign up, file uploads. What are the basic operations we're going to perform with the Supabase and the Flask in the coming series. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, we have to create the Supabase account. So let's go and just create an account first. And here we have the currently I'm already logged in, so I'll go with my dashboard. Okay, so currently my project is there, so here it is paused, so I'm going to resume that. Project cannot be restored to the dashboard and restore the back to the new project guide. No, I don't need it, so I'm going to create a new project. The project will not be requested until resumed. Download, restore the backups on your local machine. I don't need it. I will go with creating a new project. Okay. The project name is, I will go with the Flask demo app. So let's create that one. Okay, database password, generate the password. So copy this password. I'm going to use it later on. So here I'm going to use that. Okay, whatever, just create a project. Okay, welcome to the new project. Okay, so here we have the create project is done. Okay, now fill in the project details, everything we have done with this. Now we have to go with our anon key and the project URL. Okay, so here we go with our settings, project settings. We have this, we have project ID, then we have domains. This is here, then we will go with here API keys and all. So here we have an anon key. Okay, so let's use this as anon key. We have this one, we have anon key. So you will get the anon key from here, and this is our service role. Okay, so yeah, this we required. Okay, for setting up the project. So project URL, anon key, service role, you will get it, and then we can integrate in our Flask project. First of all, we have to create .env file. Okay, so here we have create .env file for this, and here we are going to use this API key and all. So you have to configure like this: Supabase URL of your project ID with .co, and then this is the basic code for the Supabase. Okay, so here we have app.py. I'm going to use this one. Okay, and necessary package you have to install, that is .env and the Python. So let's install this. What it says: default to user installation because normal sites are not writable, python.env. Okay, already satisfied. Let's install this. You can install the Supabase also, right? So here pip install Supabase, and it will install our Supabase. Okay, I think now the error will resolve in this. Okay, now it is go over there. Okay, so this is a basic where we have configured the keys and the basic set project setup. Okay, hope you understand. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.